Welcome back to the Misplaced Motovlogger channel. Today, we got a little install video for the panniers that I picked up. Side cases, saddlebags, whatever you want to call them. Anyway, let's get to it. So the SIBO is this deal right here. The bag just has a bracket on the back and it slides down. I'll show you more once we get it installed. They're gonna go over here on the side. I'm not sure if you can see it. So on the 850 Sport, this is a lot easier than even what the directions say for the 900, because the 900, they've got a little right in here, like a little tray where you can put your phone and you can plug it in and everything like that. Well, they don't have that on the 850. So this nut, these two are going to come out, and then the one for up here is also going to come out. So the only thing we're going to have to do is take out the camera here. We're going to take out that one, and that one to move the little lockdown point for the seat out of the way. And then we'll have that bolt coming out. So that'll be the two mounting points. All right, I'll bring you back in a sec. So these are 5mm. What a surprise. That gets that out of the way. Get an extension. All right. Actually, that stays put. Yeah, you see that's welded. But we have access to that one and that one. All right, let's get some wrenches and get them off.
Okay, just gonna break that one loose. These things don't have a lot of torque on them, so. I had to look through the constructions. If I remember correctly, these nuts and bolts are obsolete. So that one's out. Still need a wrench over here.
Yeah. Take our bolt, new bolt now, and I have this backwards like a dumbass. There we go. Washer. These are nylock nuts, so no need for Loctite. Little trick for the rear one. It's a tight fit right there. You got fat fingers like I do. It's kind of hard to get in there and spin the nut on. So what I'm doing is I'm going to hold the nut and I'm going to use the 6mm hex to spin the bolt so I can get it started.
And there we go, we're started. So we'll start snugging these up. I'm not going to be completely tight because these things are kind of independent. Now they'll have to attach to the SIBO bracket that I showed you in the beginning. I'll show you all this here in a bit.
and it's 6mm hex, 13mm nut, if anyone is really interested. I went a little too far. A little too tight, too snug. So I can still move it, but it's snug. All right, I'm gonna go grab the SIBO deals, and all right, here's the SIBO bracket. We're gonna get these attached. Unfortunately, they're 10mm. So hopefully you know where your 10mm socket is. We got the bolt, the washer. There's threaded holes on the back of the bracket. So hopefully you can see that. Kind of what I'm doing here. One side down. All right, there we go, attached. Hopefully I'm not making you people dizzy. I didn't pull out the gimbal, and I'm gonna show you how the bag attaches. Hold on. So you can see, there's the back of the bag. And you see this bracket attaches to that bracket. So let's do this. Hopefully you can see that. Let me hit the tail light just a little bit there. Slide that down. Okay. And of course I had the key turned the wrong way. So down, turn the key, and it's attached. Now I'm not gonna film the right side. The only difference is the bracket also attaches behind this bolt. So you have to loosen this bolt too, just to slide the bracket in place. You don't take the bolt completely out. You just loosen it. And then that's it. I'll show you the completed bike when I'm done. Bring you back in a minute. All right, good, we're recording. So here are the bags all installed, and they are waterproof. I don't have them sealed up or anything right now because I don't have anything in them, and if I get a chance I'll show you. I think I showed how they come on and off. And I just have this bracket here, little key, lifts right off the bracket there. Soft side, but it's a little bit of a structure to it. So there we go. Pretty good looking bags, and they didn't cost an arm and a leg. Bags and brackets, I want to say they were around 500 bucks. Whoa. Compare that to the hard cases from Triumph and just about everybody else, and I saved about 500 bucks. All right. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you on the next one, guys. Take care.